Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here. We're going to attempt to do a 3D Santa using the Tears Beauty acrylics. First of all, I'm going to come in with the latte acrylic just for the base of the nail to give the colour. And once we've done that, I'm going to be using the Aurora glitter and some Tears Beauty crystal clear to apply a thin layer of this over that latte colour. I just feel like this proper is Christmassy for me. There's lots of colour in there and gold and shines and shimmers, it's just stunning. Once we're happy with that, we're going to come in and cap the whole of that nail, and once the acrylic is set off, we are going to file it and buff it over and then remove any dust and debris, and then I'm going to come in with a lint-free wipe with a bit of alcohol to make sure all dust is actually off there. Then going to use a matte top coat from Urban Graffiti Nails, and then we're going to start the Santa's beard. First of all, I'm using my 3D nail art brush, acrylic brush I should say, and we're just going to like do little peaks as if like when you're doing the flowers. So you just want to do little beads and then like spread them out. I did come across a few mistakes that I did on here. I should have waited a bit longer because a couple of them did merge into each other, but it still looked okay at the end anyway. And you're just going to build that up, the beard. Doesn't really look much like a beard right now, but trust me, it is. Once you've built that up, I wanted to figure out where I was going to put the moustache of the beard, so I thought I'd put that in before continuing and getting too high with the beard. So I put a general shape down there, so that gave me a rough idea. And then just shaping the moustache shape with my 3D art brush, and then just build that beard up, and then I'm going to come in and do the mouth area. Wasn't too happy with the amount of the moustache, I wanted it to be more prominent, so I added extra acrylic in this area to make it more prominent. I'm not so happy with that, and then just going to come in and fill all the little spaces up with the beard that need it. For Santa's face, we're going to use Tears Beauty Naked Core Acrylic. It's a perfect skin tone colour in my opinion for this. I'm just going the general face shape. Once I'm happy with that, I'm then going to come in and do the fur with the hat, and I'm basically just picking up little beads of acrylic, white acrylic, they're all different shapes and sizes, so it gives that more 3D air bubbly poppy look, but try not to put the beads close together as you put it on, like keep it either ends, if that makes sense. So I'm happy with that. I'm just coming in, giving Santa some sideburns, some hair at the sides, whatever you want to call it. And then we're going to come in and do the hat using Scarlet from Tears Beauty. I'm first of all going to just get that triangle shape as such with the hat. Once I'm happy with that, I'm then going to do the tail of the hat. And by doing it this way, it gives that extra crease in the hat, and then I'm just going to shape that tail so it's got like a bit of a wing going on to it, if that makes sense. Don't really know how to explain that. Then I'm just getting a little bit of that acrylic Scarlet to put some rosy cheeks on him, and doing his mouth. I'm coming in with Naked to do his nose. I wasn't very happy with the size of the nose, so I did come in with an extra bit of acrylic because I wanted his nose to be bigger and more prominent. Not so happy with that. I come in with a ball of fluff for the end of his hat, and I'm spiking my brush in to give it that 3D effect, and it wasn't working too well for me, so I used some tweezers. This was my biggest mistake, I feel, on this project by doing the eyes in acrylic. I feel I should have painted them on, but as I wanted to do the whole thing in acrylic and challenge myself, that's what I've ended up doing, but they're just a bit goggly, these eyes, for me. So then we're going to use the cornflower for the blue of his eyes, and then we're going to use the black for the pupil. Once I'm happy with the shape of them, I will come in with the black. And then once that's done, the Santa is actually completed, and then we're going to come in with a top coat from Glitter Bells, and we're just going to top coat that base layer and cure that, and then that's the nail done, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and have a nice Christmas, and see you soon. Bye.